Hi, Jeff Fulkerson here, TidBits and Tin Snips. Today we're going to talk about setting cabochons and picking a cabochon. If you're going to set a cabochon in a bezel, there's certain things you want to look for. So let's talk about the anatomy of a cab real quick. You have a top and a bottom and a side. The side is the important part. This is called the girdle, and we want our girdle to have about a 10 to 12 degree bevel, so that when you set the bezel on it, it'll hold it in place. Now, not all cabochons are created equal. Here's a beautiful cab, and it's very tall, very thick, but look, where's the girdle? There's nothing there. Now, can you set this? Yes, but you've got to use some different techniques. If you try and push your bezel down around this, it's going to, especially around the ends, it's going to wrinkle up. Now, there's other beautiful, here's a beautiful piece of Cherry Creek jasper, but look how thin it is, and it's like straight up and down. So that's going to be difficult to set. Here's a beautiful piece of Chinese turquoise, really pretty stuff. But this is straight up and down also, actually even a little undercut. And then a lot of stones that are cut in India, Pakistan, that sort of thing, they set a lot of stones, cabochons, with prongs. And so what happens is they completely undercut them. Look at that. Okay, so that's not going to work in a bezel because it'll pop right out. So what we want is we want a cabochon that's got a good girdle on it with about a 10 to 12 degree bezel, and then it's going to be real easy to set and hold in place with your bezel. Beveled bezel. Okay, so I hope that helps you. Good luck.